My best ability is my ability to take a complex concept and break it down into simple, everyday person terms. That's my best skill. And I was using this skill even when I was showing basketball players how to play basketball. I was breaking down the moves and the drills and the skills of basketball into plain language and then demonstrating to you how to do it. I just happen to have the ability to play basketball, and I had combined that with my ability to explain basketball is what gave me an opportunity in that space as an early influencer back in those days. Nowadays, I'm doing the same thing. It's just not related to basketball. It took mindset, personal development, professional development, business strategy, systems, etc. I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm using the exact same skill, just in a different context. But that's my superpower. And again, this is the reason why I can play a lawyer on TikTok. So the good news about this is that many people do not understand some things that I would consider basic, like the difference between a criminal case and a civil case. I remember I was explaining that on TikTok, and somebody said, "Are you a lawyer?" And again, that's part of the thing that kind of sparked the idea for this series. Or the difference between being charged with a crime versus actually going to trial for that crime. Those are not the same thing. Or the difference between being charged or accused of a crime and actually being guilty of a crime. A lot of people don't seem to understand that, especially when their emotions get in the way. That's another thing about lawyers. You have to be able to leave your emotion, check your emotion at the door. So, or the difference between being convicted at trial and accepting a plea deal. Again, these are not the same thing. So your knowledge need not be super duper deep, but your knowledge just needs to be deeper than whoever you're talking to. And that applies to all of you if you're going to be an expert at anything. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know more than the people you're talking to. Okay? You're only playing a lawyer on TikTok. Now, you're not an actual lawyer. So let's recap today's class.